2018 Ram 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It's the hardest working truck in tow business. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, traction control, stability control, backup camera, traction control, dual airbags, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, electronic stability control, MP3 player. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.